Hey guys, my name's Quentin. Today I'm showing you our Craftsman 3/4 horsepower belt drive garage door opener. It does work. Still. I know I got those two unique light covers on our garage door opener. They both do work. Now I'm gonna open the left light cover, and here is the model number. 139.57915, manufactured of August 10th, 2018. The garage door opener is still working. Okay, so I'm gonna start closing the garage door from outside with the remote, but we're not gonna be using the wall button this time. The remote is inside of the Toyota Camry. And I'm gonna close it from the outside, and here we go. Now let's open the garage door opener with the keypad. But I can't show you the code. Now let's do a safety sensor test. And here we go. The light blinks 10 times to let you know that something is in the way, or if the safety sensors aren't working right, or if the safety sensors are dusty, or if they're out of alignment or not adjusted right. That's to let you, the lights blink 10 times to let you know that something went wrong with your safety sensors. Now let's close the garage door again, and here we go. Okay, now let's open the garage door one more time. Here we go. very nice garage door opener. Okay, now let's close the garage door one more time. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna put my remote back in the car, inside of the Toyota Camry. Okay, I think that's enough for now. Don't forget to subscribe, and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.